I love to buy dirty and rusty old tools that still have a lot of life left in them. Now, it may not look like it, but under this great patina is a very nice and useful tool. One that you can get extremely cheaply at a garage sale, yard sale, and especially an estate sale. You can get hammers, you can get oil cans, lineman's pliers, pipe wrenches. I even have here a couple of old metal hose nozzles. Man, these things are great. They last forever. I even picked up this antique tree trimmer. Pretty cool stuff. And whenever I find one of these old gems, I stick it in this plastic tub, and then one nice spring day, I'll bring my bench grinder outside and give these old tools a little makeover. Welcome to Alley Picked. Here's a collection of the tools I plan to clean up. A saw, a chipping hammer. Some of these old tools are going to need a little sharpening. Some need rust removed. Wood handles are going to have to be sanded and refinished. And this zombie killer machete, it needs just about everything. Did you ever watch one of these restoration YouTube videos where someone takes this old, rusty, beat up and worn out tool and restores it to like new condition? Well, that's not what I'm going to do. These are not museum showpieces. They're tools. They're intended to be used to build things. So I'm going to show you how to clean up Grandpa's old tools and use them for another generation. The most important tool which makes quick work for cleaning the metal is a bench grinder with a wire wheel. I'm also using a paintbrush, water-based poly, which dries fast. Safety glasses are very important since the wire bristles do fly off the wheel periodically. For the wood handles, there's barely any finish on them, mostly dirt and grime. A quick sanding will cut through this pretty quickly. For the metal, when I'm finished, I like to coat it with a little of my magic oil, which is just beeswax and mineral oil. A coat of poly, and this one is done. I love this machete. It has such character and age to it. I would love to know the story behind this piece. It's got to be at least 70 years old. So tools are meant to be used. All they need now and then is a little TLC. Tool loving care. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be notified whenever I release a new video, click on that notification bell. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.